Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 26 part A and B from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/4/1. The A part of the question says, in a class test, Veer scored 6 more than twice as many marks as Kevin scored. If one of them had scored 4 more marks, their total score would have been 40. Find the marks obtained by Veer and Kevin. Now here in this question, Veer's marks depends on Kevin's marks. Let's assume Kevin's marks as X. Veer scored 6 more than twice as many marks as Kevin. So Veer's marks is 2x plus 6. If one of them had scored 4 more marks, so this can be applied either to Kevin or Veer. Let Kevin's new marks be x plus 4, their total score would have been 40. That is x plus 4 plus 2x plus 6 is 40. 3x is equal to 30 and x is 10. That is Kevin's score is 10 and Veer's is 2 times 10 plus 6, which is 26 marks. Part of the question, solve the linear equations 3x plus y equal to 14 and y equal to 2 graphically. Let's take the first equation 3x plus y equal to 14. Y is 14 minus 3x. Let's build a table of values with x and y. For x, let's take 0 and 5. For x equal to 0, y is equal to 14. And for x equal to 5, y is equal to 14 minus 15, which is minus 1. Second equation given is y equal to 2. So this is a line which is parallel to x-axis. After plotting these two lines on the graph looks like this. This is a line which represents 3x plus y equal to 14 and the horizontal line is y equal to 2. These two lines meet at a point 4, 2. So this is the solution of these two equations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.